Subscribe to Ambi's vlog and press the bell icon to get notified about the latest video on the channel.
So hello guys, welcome back and welcome to my channel. So today's video will start with the process of designing the actual bonnet strut mount for my car. So as per the measurements and the design of my bonnet, we will design the mount. So basically it will be an L-shaped mount. So let me draw the three-dimensional view so that you people can understand it better. So guys, now we will make a prototype out of a sunboard depicting the shape of the actual mount and the actual size of the mount. So this is the prototype of the mount which I have made out of sunboard, and I need to transfer this image on the aluminum plate. So this is the aluminum plate, as you can see, this permanent marker. So this is how you need to take the marking. So guys, this is the marking of the mount. So now the next step would be you need to cut it using grinder and then polish it the rough edges. This is the mount which I have fabricated out of that aluminum plate or angle plate, and these two holes you can drill it out with the drill machine and then file it down. So this is how the mount is looking. The specification of the strut to be used for this DIY build is as follows. Force is 350 Newton, rod diameter is 6 mm, stroke should be 220 mm, and extended length of the strut should be 480 mm, and the thread is M6 into 1.0. So guys, as I showed before that I had designed this mock-up in a sunboard and then in aluminum, it was hardly of use. Then I have redesigned this thing in a mild steel in this shape and dimensional. It's in 90 degree, but I have changed the design as this part was interfering with the bonnet thing. So I need to change the design, so I made it like this. So this is the final design, and this is the shock up or strut I am using. It's mostly found on Skoda cars, and this is the ball joint nut which I am using with this strut. So let me show you. So this is the one end of the strut, in this ball joint nut in this. So this is how you have to place it, and here it is, it's fixed and it's moving freely. And this is the mount which I have designed. So this is how it will get connected. So final assembly would be like this. This is how the strut will get connected to the mount, and this is the place where the bonnet will get connected to the mount. So let's see how we will install it on the car. And this is the place where the bonnet and the bonnet hinge gets fixed using a bolt. We have to remove that bolt and place the mount which we have designed, and use the same bolt to tighten it down. And at this point you have to fix the ball joint nut which will hold the other end of the strut on the bonnet. So you have to tighten it down using another bolt. So this is how you have to do it. So guys, this is the place where the fender and the chassis are fixed using this bolt. We have to remove this bolt and place a ball joint bolt there to hold the strut in a place. So let's check whether the bonnet is getting lifted using the strut. So guys, that was the quick process or a DIY process to install a bonnet strut on your Volkswagen car. I hope you guys liked it, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Till then, this is Ambi's vlog signing off.